Hey guys, it's Young-Minded Jess here back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about all the Unturned single player cheats or commands, whatever you want to call them, as of kind of when this video came out. So the first most important step is you need to click this allow cheat codes before you load into game. A lot of people, a lot of tutorials rather, don't talk about this because they're old and this never used to be an option. This will only cover the single player cheat codes. If you want to play this on your multiplayer server, a link will be in the description for that. So you just want to go ahead and load into whatever map you want to play. Then the first commands are the basics, so /day, /night, and then /time. So /time, basically you can set it to whatever time during the day you want. So that would be 12 o'clock. Then spawn items is /give. Then you want the name or the Steam ID, so my name on Unturned is A. Then the item ID, so what you want to do is come to this list basically. I'll have this linked in the description as well, and this will basically give you the list of all the items in the game. So say I want a, let's pick something here. Say I want, what do I want? Say I want a black travel pack, so that's 245. So I'd do /give a /245 and then / how many I want. I only want one. And then you can hear from that sound that I've got the black travel pack on now. You can do this with anything. So for example, I think an eagle fire is 6. So I'd do give a /6 1. Okay, maybe I was wrong. These do get updated sometimes. It used to be 6. Yeah, now a military magazine is 6 and an eagle fire is 4. So say if I wanted to give myself an eagle fire, it would just be /give a 4 1, and then I would give myself an eagle fire. And to get the military magazines for it is 6. And then you can see that that works perfectly fine. Then there's spawn vehicles. So again, you come over to this site, and it has all the vehicle IDs. So let's say I want to spawn this green van, that's 37, so it would be /vehicle a, and then the vehicle ID, which was, I've completely forgotten actually, what was it? I was spawning green van 37. So /vehicle a /37, and let's hope I don't get crushed. And then you can see green van, not locked and fully fueled. And then the last one is /teleport. So this can work for locations on the map. Obviously if you were playing multiplayer you could use this to teleport to other players, but just in single player it's just locations. So say I wanted to teleport to the airport, you would just type in airport. I believe you might need to sometimes get the exact name of it. So you don't need to type in the whole name. I didn't type in my name, that's why. So then you can type in airport and it should take you there. So like you don't need to type in the whole name, you just need to get a bit of it. So for example, there's nothing else called Isle on the map. Oh, there is actually. There's a lot. So yeah, for example, with that, you couldn't just type in Isle because it wouldn't know which one to send you to. You would need to type in the first bit, so like Corton, Alton, Holman, things like that. But for things where there's only one of them, like Oliuri Prison, you can just type /teleport prison, and that will take you there. So you only need like enough where it can't be anything else basically, and then it'll teleport you there. And do remember, you will need cheats enabled for this, so make sure you have those enabled before you do this, otherwise you'll just be typing it in. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, a like and a subscribe would be much appreciated. Only like 4% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed, so it means a huge deal to me and it's absolutely free. You can always change your mind later, but it makes the world of difference to me. Then if you want to support me further, there is YouTube membership. I do want to thank my YouTube members. Big T Fishbone, he's been a great help in supporting the channel, and it's been really great having him on board. You do get loads of perks if you join my YouTube membership, such as kind of support and things like that. But I recommend just clicking that join button, and then you can see kind of what the perks are. But anyway guys, till next time, I'll see you soon.